In this video, you'll learn how to build an AI software as a service application using Claude Code and Supabase. By the end of this tutorial, you will have set up a functional backend that integrates AI capabilities with a database for managing user interactions. To begin, ensure that you meet all the requirements. You need to have Node version 20 or higher installed, along with PowerShell version 7 or higher. Additionally, you will need a Supabase project with your API keys, as well as a Claude API key. Make sure you have npm installed on your system, as it will be essential for managing the project dependencies. Now, let's initialize your project. Open your terminal and create a new directory by entering menda Claude SaaS. After that, navigate into this directory with cd Claude SaaS. You will then initialize a new node.js project by executing anyteam. This command generates a package.json file, which is crucial for managing project dependencies. Next, you will install the necessary dependencies for your application. Run the command npm install express cause.and supabase at anthropic and/Claude Code. The Express package will serve as your API server. Cause will enable front-end calls. Doosan will help you manage environment variables. Supabase will provide database functionality and authentication. And Anthropic I/Claude Code is required for AI integration. After installing the dependencies, you need to create a dev-env file to store your environment variables securely. In PowerShell, execute new item-path quote.env item type file. Then add the required content by using the add content command. Start with add content bar cbs underscore URL =https / your dash project.supabase.co, followed by add content cbs underscore key =, your underscore or onno underscore service underscore role underscore or underscore service underscore role underscore service underscore role underscore. And finally, add content on Anthropic underscore API underscore key =, your underscore Claude underscore key. Replace the placeholder values with your actual Supabase and Claude API keys. Next, you will create the server.js file, which will serve as your API backend. Use the command new item server.js quote to create this file. Open the file in your preferred code editor and paste the provided minimal backend code. This code sets up the Express server, initializes the Supabase client, and defines a post endpoint /ask to handle user questions and integrate with Claude. Now, you need to create the necessary tables in Supabase for storing questions and answers. Go to the Supabase SQL editor and execute the provided SQL commands. The first command creates a table for questions, while the second command creates a table for answers. This structure will help you manage user interactions efficiently. To run your backend server, execute the command node server.js quote in your terminal. This command starts your server on port 300. To test your API, you can use PowerShell to send a request. Enter invoke REST method URI HTTP ://localhost 3000 -- method post -body and use add =u1 question exivert hello Claude convert to JSON content type application /JSON. If everything is set up correctly, you should receive a response containing Claude's answer. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.